What do these colors remind you of? They remind me of fall. And yes, today is the first day of fall. Summer's over for 2021 and it's time to move on into this new season. And though the summer season is officially over for 2021, there are a few of my plants that I wanted to share with you that give me a fall feel. So they'll fit right in for this new season. So let's get to that. And as usual, I am definitely giving my shout out to anyone and everyone that is watching this video or any of my videos. I appreciate you all and I thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, I hope you'll consider that today and make sure you like, comment, click the bell to know when a new video has posted, and share this video with anyone that you think would appreciate it. So thank you guys. Wintery Winehouse. One of my prettiest plants that have these pretty white and green leaves. What I find so beautiful about this plant outside of the variegation on the leaves is that it can give you any season. It is a seasonal visual plant. It gives you fall, winter, spring, and summer. Now mine, as you see on this side, is falling forward. It's kind of hanging forward. And on this end, it's growing more upright. Now that is really the way this plant normally grows, is in an upright position. But because I have it on a shelf with a grow light in front of it, it's reaching for the grow light. So hence why these leaves are also smaller, since that's in the back, and these are bigger. So I really appreciate this plant. It can handle different types of conditions. But I'm not going to get into plant care. I just want to give you guys what I feel is giving me visually a fall feel. So here we go. Wintery Winehouse. Next is this one whose name I cannot remember. But that's okay, because what I want to do is give the visual of this plant. You can see how compact it is. You wouldn't know by feeling these leaves, but they're very soft. And if you look at that pattern, it's like a dark purple, almost black kind of color to it. I can't see it on the camera as well as I see it to my eyes directly looking at it. But it also gives me the feel of something, you know, especially looking at this stem here, something that you would drape around your home during the fall season. And the color definitely gives me fall feel, and I really like this plant a lot. I don't see it on a lot of people's channels or on, you know, Instagram or anything like that, and that's okay, because everything doesn't have to be popular. But for me, this plant is definitely a fall seasonal looking plant. All right guys, the next one is this one here, which is my Lifesaver. It's a small plant, so I wanted you guys to see how small it really is. And as you can tell, it has bloomed, hence the name Lifesaver. And the colors on that bloom to me are perfect to relate to the fall season. And as well are the stems. They remind me of pine type style trees that you would normally see in cold areas, though it can be seen in warm areas that go through all 4 seasons. But the beauty of this plant are these blooms, or the bloom that I have. This plant has bloomed for me about 6-7 times. At one point I had more than 1 bloom on it. I wish I took a picture of it so you guys can see. If I think I did. If I find it, I'll post it somewhere on the screen. But you can tell that this plant is not very big. It can get much bushier, fuller, I should say, fuller, more compact, and you could have massive blooms all over the place, which would look really cute. But in the meantime, this is all that I have, and this plant definitely gives me fall. Now, I know Crotons are plants that people may think more so summer or spring as well, but with these specific colors in here, These are definitely giving me fall now. Unfortunately, it got too close to the light here and here and there, and it washed out that color because it burnt the leaves. But this plant, look at this, look at the pretty burgundy and orangey yellow. This is so beautiful. This is one of the things about fall that I really appreciate, is the way the leaves turn colors. I'm not sure if everyone lives in an area where you have the different seasons, but in New York, you do get 4 seasons, and fall, the trees, the leaves will turn these burnt red, burnt orange, yellow kind of colors, and it just looks so beautiful. And that's what this plant does give me, specifically the leaves with the colors like this on it. Up here, you can see it's more green and yellow, but over time, with the proper light, that may change as well. So Crotons definitely give me fall. Okay, the Begonia Rex. Now, which one this is exactly, I'm not sure, but look at the leaves. You can see the colors. These are definitely giving me fall colors. And it's not just a fall color on the outside of the leaf, it's also giving me fall on the back side of the leaf. Isn't that just pretty? And then look at the stems. Look at the stems. It's giving that beautiful burgundy color as well. You can see it maybe a little bit better here. And as you can see, no matter what side you view this plant, you're going to get beauty and color. So begonias definitely, or at least this begonia definitely gives me a fall feel. Hoya Macrophylla. Hope I said that right. This one is a beauty. OMG. What I like about the Hoyas, you see how it's a burgundy color? It's starting off with that kind of reddish burgundy color, and then eventually it turns into these green with the yellow in it. These are one of the slept on plants in my mind. Though Hoyas are popular, the Macrophylla, I don't think it's enough love, and that's okay, because sometimes not enough love keeps the prices down, so it works for me. But anywho, this plant definitely gives me fall. The color of the green with this kind of yellow, creamy, or lighter green color, depending on how you see it. Sometimes it's a little more cream. This looks more green to me. But anywho, the plant has a natural shine to it when it gets a new leaf. This is one of my newer leaves, and you can see that pretty shine. There is no extra added anything for that. And this plant is definitely giving me fall too, because the way it grows, these vines here, don't cut them off. If you see them, that means you're gonna get new leaves on them. Hence how you see this one here. Now this one, it looks like it's going through some changes and needs a little help. May need some ICU. We may have to help you out a little, but in the meantime, this is definitely giving me fall. Okay, so I did a recording of ending my video, and I didn't realize I hit the slow-mo button. So anyway, thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you'll consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. Make sure you hit that like button, comment below, share this video, and click the bell to know when a new video has posted. I wish you all a blessed day, healthy, safe travels. God bless you all, and bye-bye. Bye-bye.